Welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into the realm of smartphones to uncover the latest gem in the market, the Vivo S19. Packed with cutting-edge features and innovations, this device promises to revolutionize your smartphone experience. Whether you are a photography aficionado, a gaming enthusiast, or a productivity powerhouse, the Vivo S19 has something in store for everyone. So, let's not waste any time and embark on this journey together. First things first, let's talk about what you'll be staring at all day: the display. With its vibrant 6.78-inch AMOLED screen boosting 1 billion colors and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, every swipe and scroll feels like a dream. And with a peak brightness of 4500 nits, say goodbye to squinting in broad daylight. If we talk about the memory mastery, ***. Now, let's delve into the powerhouse that fuels all your multitasking needs: the memory. With options ranging from 8GB to a whopping 16GB of RAM paired with lightning-fast UFS 3.1 storage, the Vivo S19 ensures seamless performance even with the most demanding tasks. If we talk about the capturing moments, ***. For all the shutterbugs out there, the Vivo S19's camera setup is nothing short of spectacular. Equipped with a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, every shot is bound to be Instagram-worthy. Plus, with features like ring-LED flash and gyro EIS, say hello to crisp, shake-free videos even in low-light conditions. If we talk about the picture-perfect selfies, ***. But wait, there's more. The selfie game is taken to a whole new level with the 50MP front camera, ensuring that every selfie is a masterpiece. And with dual-LED flash and HDR capabilities, you'll always be the center of attention, no matter the lighting. If we talk about the power that lasts, ***. Now, let's talk about the lifeblood of any smartphone: the battery. With a massive 6000 mAh battery and blazing fast 80W wired charging, the Vivo S19 keeps you powered up throughout the day. And with reverse wired charging, you can even juice up your other devices on the go. If we talk about the feature-packed delight, ***. From under-display fingerprint sensors to IP64 dust and water resistance, the Vivo S19 is packed to the brim with features designed to make your life easier. Plus, with the latest Android 14 and Origin OS 4, you'll always stay ahead of the curve in terms of software. If we talk about the connectivity and beyond, ***. With support for GSM, CDMA, HSPA, LTE, and 5G, the Vivo S19 ensures that you stay connected no matter where you are in the world. And with features like NFC and infrared port, the possibilities are endless when it comes to connectivity. So, there you have it, folks, a comprehensive overview of the Vivo S19, the epitome of innovation in the world of smartphones. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a photography buff, or simply someone looking for a reliable companion, the Vivo S19 ticks all the boxes. Don't miss out on your chance to experience the future of smartphones. Grab your Vivo S19 today.